news that a lot of Nigerians want to hear from Meta has finally happened. It has finally happened that 12 midnight Nigerian time, Facebook ticked eligibility for Nigeria. Now, this is to those who said I wasn't saying the truth, because I did a video a couple of days ago, showing people how I went about my monetization. And in that video, I clearly stated that it is a gradual process. It is going to get to everybody, because I felt like, is there any way Meta is going to put their credibility out there? Like, how do a company as big as Meta come outside to tell you they're going to monetize you by June? And they were doing it gradually. And finally, a lot of persons, because I woke up this morning to a lot of DMs, people checking their monetization and saying that it had been ticked. Right. So, for me, the last video I did, I saw a lot of comments like, it's not true, you're not in something. People were just like doubting me. I tried as much as possible to reply as many as I could, and I reminded them that I said it, that it is a gradual process. And just like I said, I felt like Meta is not going to put their their integrity at stake. So if you've not checked your professional dashboard yet, please go ahead and check it, because Facebook is monetized in Nigeria. I still had some people who also sent me DM on Facebook here, because I do a lot of tutorials on Facebook too, that theirs have not been ticked, and I told them, don't worry, it is going to be ticked. Now, what next? So if you've been following me on on Facebook, you'll see that I've always been talking about try getting your 60,000 minutes, because you don't want a situation where they finally tick your country and you still have 60,000 minutes, that line now, your own is still on 1,000 something, 2,000 something. But if you had gone ahead to start posting videos, you'll be close to it, or you would have met it. So how do you go about meeting that requirement? Just start posting original content. Post your original content. And even if you want to do review, like what you see a lot, you'll be like, but people are not posting the original content. How are they going? How are they getting views? And how come adverts still plays in between their videos? That's because they re-edit this content in such a way that Facebook is not going to come for them. And in another video, I'll be showing you how you can actually re-edit. You can re-edit, yes, I know it's not your original content, but you can actually re-edit content that is not your own, and you won't put yourself into trouble. Though it is very much advisable that you post your own original content. That is the truth. I must tell you the truth, but not everybody has that level of creativity. So they might want to post, other people's content. Maybe you're doing reaction and review. You can actually go ahead to do that. So when I did that video talking about how to set up your in-stream ads, if you're watching me for the first time, I will post the link to that video in my description box. Go and watch it. You're going to learn everything about how to set up. In that video, I talked about getting your tax identification number. I also have another video where I taught how you can get your tax identification number if you're living in Nigeria, and also try and get your dollar account. So if you're living in Nigeria, yes, you need to get your dollar account. All you need to do is go to your bank and ask for additional account opening form. Once you get that form, you tick dollar, pound, euro, because you never can tell if you might, so when you do that, they'll create this account for you and get it. These are the two things you will need for your setup. So I just say, let me mention it in this video. Your tax identification, which I've done a video on. I'll post the link in my description box too, please. And my work is just to come and educate you on how to go about a lot of things. So do well to like this video and subscribe. Watch it to the end too. And why you need to subscribe is because I'll continually give you updates on these things. Don't mind me, I'm overwhelmed that Nigeria is finally monetized, because I felt like I came outside to tell people that Nigeria is monetized. People did not believe me, so I needed to come out and like say it now. People don't see it. Shebi, you people have seen it. Do you still see me as a one line? Like I said, if yours is not yet ticked, they will. It is a gradual process. But I believe that before the end of this June is actually ending this weekend, right? On Sunday, June will end. But I believe they will tick your own. All right. So now the different ways you can monetize on Facebook is by your stars, your reels, bonuses, in-stream ads, and subscriptions. So for me, I have met up with 4. What I have left right now is my reels. Yes, if you want to engage your page on Facebook, it's actually advisable to post reels. But why I'm not too particular about reels is that, just like YouTube Shorts, you don't make so much money from reels, except you're a big content creator and you can make millions of views. Like you post and you get a lot of engagement, like millions of views. That's why you're going to make good money from reels. Not like people don't make. There are people who post reels, like their focus is on reels. But I have an issue with reels because once you push reels to Facebook and you want to start posting 3 minutes videos, it's going to take a long time for you to get engagement on your 3 minutes videos. So I used to advise people that post all, do your normal post reels, and post 3 minutes videos. 3 minutes videos is where you can actually have adverts playing in between your videos, just like you have it on YouTube, right? So for your stars, for your subscription, for your reels, all those, I think most of them you will be invited. But for in-stream ads, you need to meet up with 60,000 minutes. This is where a lot of people actually focus on. Yes, focus on getting that in-stream ads. So once you have 60,000 minutes, you will be able to monetize. So I usually advise people that post very engaging videos and pin it on top of your Facebook post, like your page or your profile. Always have a pinned post there, a video, so that anybody who visits your page will watch that video before they watch other things. So that way you can easily get engagement to meet up with your 60,000. So another thing will be consistency. You just need to be consistent in doing this. Like, don't post one video. You are trying to meet up your 60,000, right? You can't be posting just one video a day, and maybe you post today, you don't post tomorrow, you post today, you don't post tomorrow. Bombard your screen, like bombard your Facebook page or profile with videos. You need to do that. Reels, 3 minutes video, 3 minutes and above videos, bombard, because you're trying to meet up with requirements, right? Start doing that right away. Don't snooze. Do not. So in a day you can post like up to 5 videos a day, because you're trying to meet up with requirements. So you need the algorithm to see you on time, and that's one thing with why consistency will always remain key. Yes, you need your algorithm, right? Because if you post today, you don't post tomorrow, you post today, you don't post tomorrow, how will the algorithm pick you? How will their system pick you and see you as a serious person who is really ready for monetization? So that is why you need to do that. Okay, so finally, Nigeria is monetized. I'm very, very happy, because when I talked about this earlier this month, a lot of people felt that I didn't know what I was saying. Even when I even showed video evidence, like how to set up in-stream ads, the title of that video was how I got monetized in Nigeria, and people were like, no, it's not sure, it's not, my own is not. I'm like, it is a gradual process, then we tick it, right? So I feel so happy right now that a lot of persons that are already doubting Meta, now believe that they were very, very correct, because even in that video I said it, that they did not put a specific date to it. They say from June, so it could be June 3rd, it should be June 5th, 24th, and what have you. So guys, if you have questions for me concerning monetization and all of it, you can drop it in the comment section. In another video, I'll be talking about Facebook violation, because this is one thing. Most of the people that have sent me their screenshots of their professional dashboard, I realized that a lot of people are not following Facebook guidelines. Yes, they are not following Facebook guidelines. So I am going to put you through all you need to know about Facebook violations, and the violations you should not, and the things you should not violate, so that's why you need to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications, so that when I post that video, you'll be the first to see it. Have you gotten value from this particular one? Please like this video. Congratulations, Nigeria, we are finally monetized. So you're a young person, you're a young beginner content creator, you need this channel to help you through your content creating journey. This is not my only channel, this is my tutorial channel. I have my other channel where I have over 10,000 subscribers there. So I had to create this one because I get questions from young people who want to go into content creating. So this channel, stay tuned, because I'll be coming up with more exciting videos for you. Thank you so much, everyone. Once again, congratulations, Nigeria. Yeah, bye.